Hey, this is BlessedByNika. I'm Nika. If you want to get this look and you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. I will be putting my other social media sites below so you guys can follow me on my other social media as well. Thank you guys so much for coming to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for the ones that are subscribed.
Right here, I'm just following the shape of my eyebrow to do this look. Right here, I'm just buffing and blending the eyebrow out so it can look more natural looking. Going in with some concealer to clean up around the eyebrow. Using the flat brush to blend all the concealer out. Using the black eyeliner pencil, I'm tracing out the wing. Now I'm going inside the wing to make little squiggly lines here and there to give a camouflage illusion. Using a small pencil brush, I'm going in each area of the wing to place colors where I want them to be. Going in with some concealer under the eyes. Going in with a brown lip liner. And I'm sorry, you guys, my camera did not record me doing my foundation and everything else that you see, but it's the same routine I've been doing. I didn't add anything else and I didn't do anything new or different, so I'm sorry about it. But I'm just using the nude brown to do a lip. And I'm going in the inner portion of the lips with a shimmery pink color. And everything I use for this look will be in the description box below. Now I'm putting on my false lashes, but when going in with my false lashes, I like to put lash glue on my lash line, and I also like to put lash glue on my false lashes as well. Now I'm just dusting the setting powder away.
Hey, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I like it. It came out better than what I thought it was or whatever, because once I was drawing the shapes, because as you've seen, I wasn't trying to do a particular shape because I didn't want to do circles or half circles, because camouflage isn't half circles, it's all kind of weird shapes. So I tried to use the darkest brown I had and the lightest brown I had, so that it wouldn't be too close to my skin color or whatever, where it blends completely in like it's nothing there. So again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, thank you for watching anyway, or whatever. That's really important to me. Thank you. Or whatever you take the time to watch, even though you're not subscribed. So that's something that means something to me. So thank you. Just come back and watch the next video. Like I said, thank you guys for coming to my channel. Again, this is BlessedByNika. I'm Nika. Bye, you guys.